This is why you should not go ghost hunting in the rain. Assalamu alaikum. If you're a non-Muslim, alaikum. This story comes from Ali. Oh, my leg. A paranormal enthusiast. He was exploring a haunted house, as you do. As he was conducting the investigation, he heard strange noises.
Bismillah. Allahu Ekber.
一定是老鼠。
Yeah, it must have been a big one, about the size of a human. Sounded girthy. Now, when he made his way outside, he started looking around. As he was looking around, he encountered it. Garrett's just a silhouette of a big rat. The cloud went, "Let there be light." And that's when he got exposed. If you don't want to get exposed, go watch this video. I promise I'll protect you.